Hello everyone, welcome to Folklore Wonder. My name is Ivan, and today I'm going to teach you the most popular Serbian dance in the world, Uzicko Kolo. It is located here in the city of Uzice, in western part of Serbia. The time signature for this dance is 2/4, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's begin, shall we? Alright, now I'll show you what it looks like. Then I'll go step by step and explain in details. All right, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now notice I started on my right foot, on the right side, like this. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now here, I place my foot that's in the air in the front, the other foot, not on the side, not any other sides. So in front, like this. And keep in mind that this isn't as elegant as other dances from Central Serbia, let's say. So it's not, doesn't have any, pointed toes. It's not as light. It's not like this. Light elegance, because this is more in the West. Now in the West, the more west you go, the rougher and heavier it gets. So what it looks like, instead of being all light, make sure you do it a little rougher and heavier without as much pointed toes. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. There's a little bit of lightness, bounce, but it's still heavier than what you would normally see in Central Serbia, or as other people dance Uzicko Kolo. Now, keep that in mind. 3. So we start with the right foot. Again, I'll go slowly. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. One more time. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now, we ended up with the left foot available. And now we can go to the left with the very same step. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. One more time. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now notice, whenever a direction you go, the opposite foot is in the front first, and then the other foot. What I mean is, if you go right with the right foot, 1, 2, 3, 2. Notice when you go right, the left foot is on front. Even when you're going right, and same with if you're going left, the right foot is up front first, then left, then right. So I'll show you slowly the full step. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. One more thing. When you travel, if you move side by side, you do a little hop like this. 3 and 1, 2, 3. That's how you move from spot to spot normally. So 1, 2, 3, and then you do the steps front. And then if you you do the same on the left. 1, hop, 3. So right, 1, hop, 3. Left, 1, hop, 3. Now, let's do the steps. 3, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So if you're still struggling with this dance step, I can show you the simpler version, which is 3 and boom, 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 da, 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 enjoyed the tutorials and learned something from it. Thank you all for coming. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.